Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Nissan. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and wireless data link.